Hi, this is Dr. Cameron Gilbert from Renew Health Center located at 2114 West Algonquin Road, Lake in the Hills, Illinois. And today we're going to be doing some immune boosting cooking. Now if you've gone to the grocery store recently, you're going to notice that there's a scarcity of a lot of items such as potatoes, candy, sugary items, bread, which is actually really immunocompromising. It doesn't help you in any way. So I decided to do a little shopping of my own, walked right in there and grabbed these things right off of the shelf, if you can imagine that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with cocktail hour. So for cocktail hour, I recommend water, half your body weight in ounces, okay? If you don't like flat water, that's okay. It probably doesn't like you that much either. I prefer mine shaken, not stirred. There are a lot of options for water. You can have carbonated water, flavored water. So just make sure that the water that you purchase doesn't have any artificial flavorings, any sugar, or any things on the ingredient list that you can't really pronounce. Cocktail hour, water. So for our second course, we're going over to supplementation. Again, grabbed it right off of the shelf. We carry these in the office as well. I recommend vitamin D and vitamin C. Now with vitamin D, you want to make sure you take it with fat to increase absorption. So to prepare this dish, what you do is pick up the bottle, pop it open, and eat it. Supplements. For the third course, we're going to be green leafy vegetables. Again, available in a large quantity in most of the grocery stores. So for this, we have kale and broccoli. Now with these, you want to make sure that you steam them, again, to increase absorption, avoid a lot of high processing, high heat. You can also eat them with a healthy fat such as olive oil, and that's going to increase absorption as well. What you can also do with green leafy vegetables is eat them. Remember, the most important two ingredients for green leafy vegetables are green leafy vegetables. And of course, here at Renew Health Center, we're always offering up hot steaming plates of immune boosting adjustments, available for house calls as well. Once again, this is Dr. Cameron Gilbert from Renew Health Center, located at 2114 West Algonquin Road, Lake in the Hills. Office number is 224-678-9424. And for members of our studio audience, in keeping with social distancing, samples of each of these items are going to be whipped into your mouths from 6 feet away. I look forward to serving you soon.